Welcome to our Getting Started video. This video is going to go through a couple of preliminary items that are really important before we get into any training, because it will actually help you get the most out of your training. Firstly, a word about browsers. Now, a browser is the program that you use and that everybody uses to view the internet through. There are lots of different browsers you've probably heard or are using of Internet Explorer. There's Firefox, there's Safari, and there's dozens of them literally. You will probably be using one of the top three, which is Internet Explorer, Firefox, or Safari. And every browser has some differences but mostly similarities, in that there's a place to put the web address of where you're going to. So in this case we're at zenshoppingcart.com.au. There's a place to search in the browser, and you can use different search engines. And the more modern browsers, and it's really worth upgrading to get a new browser for this reason, have got tabs, which means you can literally have more than one window open at the same time, and you can just click through to where you want to go. Now, the reason this is really good, and I can show you this example straight away, is that you can look at the front of a site, like the Zencart Zoo, at the same time as being logged into the back section where you're going to be editing some pages. So as soon as you make a change here, you can go back, refresh the page, and then see whether the changes that you've created are working or not. At the same time, in addition to that, you can have another browser open which can have your training running in the background. So you can be watching what to do, you can pause your instruction and go back and apply just what you're learning, so that it's a really good way of being able to do it then and there, and to reinforce your learning. To open a new tab, most of them have just got a plus sign, so you can add a new one there, and you can type in whatever web address you want, and that opens in the new tab. Or you can go to File, New Tab, and that will open another window for you, and you can put in whatever you want there. So I encourage you to work out how to use tabs first, and then we'll go on to our next lesson.